Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your MacBook speakers are crackling, buzzing, or sounding fuzzy, especially on one side, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a super quick and free fix that takes just 30 seconds. No tools, no disassembly, no risk, just a simple settings adjustment. Let's get started. I ran into this issue myself. My right speaker started making a buzzing noise whenever I played YouTube videos or music. At first I thought I'd have to replace the speaker, but who wants to open up their MacBook, right? Luckily, I found an easy workaround that actually works, and here's how to do it. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. In the Settings window, scroll down and click on Sound. Once you're in the Sound menu, go to the Output tab. Under your selected output device, you'll see a balance slider. This controls how sound is distributed between the left and right speakers. By default, it's centered. If the right speaker is buzzing, move the slider slightly toward the left. If the left speaker is the problem, move it slightly toward the right. Important tip: don't move the slider all the way to one side. Doing that can make the audio feel lopsided. Instead, shift it just enough to reduce or eliminate the crackling. Play a song or video while you adjust the slider and fine-tune it until the noise disappears. And that's it. No tools, no repairs, no risk. While the sound might be a bit more weighted to one side, you'll barely notice. And more importantly, that annoying buzzing will be gone. If this fix worked for you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.